This is for the women out there. Has your sexual desire plummeted in recent years, or has your libido changed? There's a diagnosis and it's called hypoactive sexual desire disorder. And it's a very real thing. There's multiple reasons why it comes about. You could be in postmenopause, you could be going through menopause, or it could hit you at a younger age. Whenever it comes time to addressing it, testosterone at low doses in women have a lot of good benefit between boosting not just their libido, but their mood and decreasing their fatigue level. But there are a couple different alternatives that are also not very widely known that can help a woman with their libido. One being a pill and one being a injection that you're able to do in the fat layer of your stomach once or twice a week. And it definitely has the potential to increase your desire. Here recently, we started befriending a compounding pharmacy, and there's some things that they offer out of their compounding pharmacy that have been quite effective in helping a woman's libido. So you don't have to worry about having to take a testosterone or hormone replacement to get where you want to go. There's plenty of options to you. It's just, where do you go for those options?